Hello and welcome to another Bodgit and Leggit video. Now what I'm doing is I'm kind of, I don't know the best way to explain it, but kind of opening up my place to you guys. Obviously if you live in Ireland, if you live miles away, there's no point. But what I want to do is, because I've got new machines, I want to get them out there, you know, want to get more people talking about them, using them, you know, getting people's feedback, whether it's good or bad. So essentially, yes, if you want to come down to me, get your car serviced or EDT machine, carbon cleaned, even mapping, we're now doing mapping for most cars. We can, especially for the Ford side of things, we can do some serious tuning for all types of Ford, whether it's exhaust systems, you know, turbos, or you name it, especially on Fords. I've just kind of done a deal with, if you go and check them online, Collins Performance, all the stuff they can do, we can now do. So if you've got, you know, Ford RSs or anything like that, STs or anything, and you want massive powers, we can do that all here. So you can contact me. Best way to do it would be, say, through like Facebook Messenger or something like that, if you want to get anything done. So like I said, we have, you know, EDT machine, carbon cleaning, mapping, you know, tuning, anything you want, we can do if you are in Ireland, and especially if you want to come on camera, because it would be nice to kind of get more people to come on camera, you know, they're kind of before and after, especially with the machines, you know, before and after reactions and stuff like that, you know, and all that sort of stuff. So if you're interested and you're in Ireland, yes, pop down, contact me on Facebook, you know, tell me what kind of car you've got and everything. We can give you prices and everything before you start, so you know. We are also going to be having some really good videos on how to kind of, you know, improve your car with a bit of common sense, but, you know, quite cheaply compared to buying stuff off the shelf. For example, we're going to be doing a big brake conversion on this car, and I mean massive brakes. The cheapest kit I could find was around £2,000. The cheapest kit I could find with a name I recognize was around £3.5 grand, which obviously is very, very expensive. So I've actually done a brake conversion kit for this car for around, it's going to be between £400 to £600, but what you get for that is unbelievable. A little bit of Googling, a little bit of searching, a little bit of common sense, a little bit of making stuff, and the brakes I'm going to have on this car is phenomenal, because that's one thing people forget. When you're tuning your car and stuff, brakes, you need brakes, because, you know, the faster your car goes, you need bigger brakes to stop. So there's going to be loads of videos like that coming up, which is hopefully help people out there. So yeah, sweet. And we have a video coming up on this stainless steel exhaust soon. And yeah, that's it, people. It's a nice, short and sweet. If you want to come and see me, and why wouldn't you? It's me. I mean, you know. Oh, I don't even know why people watch me. Never know why people want to come down and see me. But anyway, so yes, and especially if you've got any kind of, you know, diagnostic problems that you're struggling with, I want to get a lot more diagnostic videos out there. So if you've got any kind of diagnostic problems and other garages have tried it, or you've tried it and you can't fix it, bring it down, we'll film it, we'll fix it for you, we'll get it on YouTube, you'll be famous and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, people, you know, you can come and physically meet me. And that's it. So that's it, people. I don't really know what else to say. Contact me through Facebook if you're interested, and all the usual, you know, please like, share, subscribe, all that. Links up here, links down below, but most importantly, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sweet.